Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. ADA is testing our patience like many other coins at the moment, literally just moving sideways, just moving in a range. I think it's worth to highlight again here the relevant levels that are really relevant for a breakout, as well as the relevant wave counts and the levels that are revealed by these wave counts. So in the main scenario, I still have to highlight that as a main scenario, not necessarily because the other one doesn't have a chance, but because it hasn't shown us sufficient evidence that the trend has shifted back to the upside. So the main scenario still suggests that price can do another low here, maybe into the 17 to 20 cent region, just purely because of the 10th of June lows. The movement that has developed is only corrective. So we haven't seen any impulsive price action to the upside or any convincing leading diagonal structure which would tell us that the trend has certainly shifted and price just hasn't done enough. But in this video we're going to talk about what does price need to do to convince us that we have a lasting low in place on the 10th of June. So in the main scenario, obviously we had a larger degree wave 4 peak here in April, and then price since has been coming down in an ABC structure, because we talk here about a diagonal. Other interpretations possible. We are now in a C wave and we have a 1, a 2, a 3 already done. The wave 4 could have been this. Reacted perfectly to the fib retracement at the time, because you can see this here. Typically what I give is for a wave 4, the resistance area between the 23.6 and the 50% retracement level. 50% retracement level roughly here at 30.3, 30.4 cents. I think I didn't draw it very accurately, but it was around 30.5. And this is also what the price reacted to. The 50% fib level. From that point of view, the move up was not too strong price-wise to count as a wave 4. And it was only very corrective in nature. What does that mean? That means it was a pretty clear 3-wave move up, highlighted here as ABC. And with that, it fulfilled the minimum expectations, or actually it fulfilled all the expectations for a wave 4. And we could be ready for a move to the downside. As you can see though, price hasn't really done any lower lows since then. So yes, it has come down, but formed a higher low, a lower high, another higher low. So it seems to be moving in a local triangle of some sort. More or less like that, yeah. But I take that out again. I mean, there are various ways how this can be counted, so it doesn't make sense to go into any more detailed wave counting. There are numerous examples, how this could work out. It's not so important. What really is important is to understand that the relevant pivot point and the invalidation point for the white wave count, where price would go lower in a wave 5, that level is the 30.5 cent level. So as long as that level stays intact and is not broken to the upside, lower is expected in this wave 5. You just need to understand that price hasn't really given us any convincing evidence that the move down has already started. That's very important to understand. On the flip side, the bullish scenario has a chance exactly because of that. So the bullish scenario is here the yellow wave count. In the yellow count, obviously for this bullish scenario to have a chance, I need to count a leading diagonal. I need to count 5 waves up. Now I can do that, but it's extremely forced. It would be a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3, a wave 4, and a wave 5. Not a reliable wave count at all. The wave 5 is too short, the wave 4 is too short, not healthy. But we can still give it a chance as wave 1 as long as the 78.6 retracement level is holding at 23.8 cents. That gives us 2 relevant pivot points for this range. 30.5 cents. If broken, the yellow count is more in control. 23.8 cents to the downside. If broken, the yellow count loses control and the white count is more in control. Hope that makes sense. Like with any leading diagonal, we cannot fully trust it. As I said, it's basically too short, so we cannot fully trust it. Even diagonals already are a bit difficult, but then if you have a messy diagonal, it's even worse. So again, we can't trust it, so we need to be watching for can it hold support in this orange support area. So far it did, and therefore it has a chance as long as it's holding 23.8 cents, and would confirm further the bullish outlook with a break above 30.5 cents, which is the wave 4 swing high. Yeah, there is not much more to say, so I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.